So here's just an unboxing for the GBU 80 underwater diving rig for action cameras by MOVO. It's a solid aluminum construction, has two cold shoe mounts, put lights or accessories on there, multiple 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch threads, and a secure wrist strap. So looking to improve my underwater photography game, but I don't have a whole lot of money. I spend it all on scuba equipment. So let's see what we got in the box here. Got some instructions, little MOVO comment card, happy, not happy. Oh, well, it's got a nice sort of padded bungee. That guy in there, so you can tie that on. Comes with a little plastic GoPro mount. Comes with one of these delicious silica gel packets. I mean, it's pretty heavy duty. It's aluminum. I mean, it feels sturdy in the hands. It's kind of got a what's that? Silicone, I'm thinking. That's silicone wrap. The logo on there. I like that. I like the way it feels. I got the bigger. There's two different sizes, a larger and a smaller. I don't know why I just got the larger. And I'm kind of replacing this this plastic piece that it came with this HSU GoPro tripod mono mount with thumb screw. And then let's just see how that works. It's got a little pad down there. Oh yeah, that's heavy duty. Yeah, so I'll take some underwater videos with this thing. It's got a couple threaded holes there. It's got some screws there, some more threaded holes. Got some additional threaded holes here. If you wanted to be off center or had a different type of mount, you could do your own mount. It's got a thumb screw down there for a flathead or a coin that you can fit in to get this tighter and more secure. Again, it comes with the lanyard too. I'll probably make my own lanyard so it's just a little bit longer. I can attach it with a bungee in my BC. I'm not sure. I've never done underwater photography before, so I'll have to kind of experiment with it. Yeah, one thing I notice is it's not, I don't know if you can kind of see that on camera, but this side is kind of bent down. It's not level. I don't know if that matters. I could probably bend it. This side seems level. This side doesn't, but that's probably a minor issue. I don't have lights yet, so probably won't even matter. But yeah, again, this is the MOVO GBU 80 underwater diving rig for action cameras. I'll be using it with a Akaso EK7000. So I'll let you know how my budget diving photo rig pans out. So thanks for watching.